Hi Manav, how would you encourage India's youth to pursue a sport like golf?
Most importantly, to pursue a sport like golf, the youngsters, need to get hold of public golf courses, and that's a little bit that the government has to do because everybody can't be a member of a private golf course. So, with the Olympics coming around in 2016, I think the government needs to get a little serious about building more public golf courses, and that's when the youth will be able to take it on much more than what they are today.
Golf requires a lot of focus. What would your advice be for our valuable youth audience to excel at this sport?
The most important thing in this sport today is that with the way everyone is playing now, I think you need to get very good coaching so that you have good fundamentals that hold you in good stead for your life. Growing up, when we were growing up, coaching wasn't on a very serious note at that time. Today, I see the coaches in India become a lot better. Everybody is more professional about how they go about their business. So I think it's about time that all the kids realize how important good coaching is, and they start from whenever they start golf, they need to get good coaching from the day they start.
Golf in India has a class appeal. What would your suggestion be to make it appealing to the masses?
Well, like I said, appealing to the masses is only possible if we have more public golf courses. Unfortunately, in India, we have very few public golf courses, so it's not in the range of the common man. Having said that, it's still a sport, and people should not associate it with being an elitist sport. It's a sport which is probably one of the toughest sports in the world to play. So I think the government should try and get more public golf courses for the guys who want to take on golf now. And being an Olympic sport, with the way the Indian kids are playing today, we are definitely medal prospects in the future.
Any comment on the ongoing and the one that concluded the 13th Tata Open Golf?
As a professional golfer from India, I'm really grateful to Tata Steel. They have been one of the pillar of strengths for the professional golf tour of India, and now hoping going in the future that we will have a long-term association with them, and we will only go from strength to strength. Tata Steel in the last 13 years has almost quadrupled the prize money, which is a great thing for any aspiring professional golfer of India. So, big thank you to Tata Steel, and hopefully in the future we will only see bigger and better things.
2014 is drawing to a close, and 2014 as a new year is dawning upon us. Any message as a new year message to the youth of India?
I don't know what New Year message I can give to everybody, but all I can say is that if anybody is playing professional golf or any professional sport, the prospects in this country are only brighter and bigger. So all of us should get a little more serious about what we are doing, and hopefully bring a lot of laurels to the country.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.